Hello and welcome to another episode of our English Learning Podcast. I'm so happy to have you here today. In this episode, we're going to talk about one of the best ways to improve your English speaking skills. It's called shadowing. Shadowing is a technique used by many language learners around the world, and if you use it correctly, it can really help you sound more natural, speak more fluently, and feel more confident when you talk in English. So, grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's learn together. So first, what exactly is shadowing? Shadowing means listening to native English and trying to repeat what you hear, immediately, without waiting. Imagine you are like a shadow. You follow the speaker closely, almost at the same time. For example, you listen to a sentence like, "I'm going to the store." And then, right away, you say, "I'm going to the store." You don't stop. You don't think too much. You just try to copy the rhythm, the pronunciation, and the tone. This technique was made popular by a language teacher named Alexander Argels. He used it to learn many languages, and now, many English learners use it too. Shadowing is simple, but very powerful. Let me tell you why it works so well. First, it helps connect your brain and your mouth. When you shadow, you train your mouth to move like a native speaker. You learn the music of the language, the rhythm, the melody. Second, it improves your listening skills. You start to notice how real English sounds. You hear the small words, the connected sounds, the contractions, like "I'm gonna" instead of "I am going to." Third, it helps you stop translating in your head. Because you're repeating immediately, you don't have time to think in your language. You just speak. And that's a big step toward fluency. Finally, it builds your confidence. After shadowing for a few weeks, you'll notice your speaking is smoother, faster, and more natural. But, many people make mistakes when they try shadowing. Let me share a few so you can avoid them. Mistake number 1, trying to shadow very fast English from the beginning. If the speaker talks too fast, you'll get frustrated. Start with slow English first. Mistake number 2, choosing difficult content. If you don't understand what you're repeating, your brain can't learn. Use simple, clear material at your level. Mistake number 3, not listening carefully. Shadowing is not just about speaking, it's about listening and copying exactly what you hear. And mistake number 4, focusing only on speed. It's not about talking fast. It's about talking clearly and naturally. Okay, now the big question. How do you actually do shadowing? Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1, choose your material. Pick a short audio or video in English, about 1 to 3 minutes long. It can be a podcast, a short video, or a story. Make sure the speaker talks clearly and at a slow or medium pace. Step 2, listen first. Before you start shadowing, just listen. Try to understand the meaning. You can read the transcript if it helps. Step 3, shadow sentence by sentence. Now, play the first sentence. Pause. Repeat it. Then play the next sentence. Pause. Repeat. Do this slowly at first. Step 4, shadow in real time. After some practice, try shadowing without pausing. Play the audio and repeat at the same time as the speaker. You'll feel like you're having a conversation. Step 5. Record yourself. This is powerful. Record your voice and compare it to the native speaker. Listen to your pronunciation, stress, and tone. Then, improve it next time. Bonus tip: repeat the same material many times. Repetition is the key to fluency. Now you might ask, what should I use to practice? Here are some great ideas. For beginners: slow English podcasts, short conversations or dialogues, children's stories. For intermediate learners: YouTube videos with English subtitles, TED Ed videos, graded readers with audio. For advanced learners: TED Talks, TV shows or movies with subtitles off, native English podcasts like This American Life. Choose something you enjoy. That way, you'll practice more. Okay. Let's try a short shadowing exercise together. I'll say a sentence. You repeat it right after me. Ready? Hi, how are you today? Repeat after me. I'm feeling great. Thanks for asking. I'm learning English every day. Shadowing helps me speak better. Let's go a bit faster now. I'm learning new words. I listen and repeat. My English is improving. Great job. You just did your first shadowing practice. You can do this every day for 5 to 10 minutes. Let's review the key points from today. Shadowing is a powerful way to improve your speaking, pronunciation, and fluency. It helps you listen better, speak more naturally, and feel more confident. Start small. Use easy materials. Practice every day, even just for a few minutes. Don't worry about mistakes, they are part of the process. The more you shadow, the more fluent you will become. So keep going. Keep shadowing. And keep shining. Thank you for listening to today's episode. If you found this helpful, please share it with a friend who is also learning English. And don't forget to subscribe for more lessons, tips, and fun practice. Until next time, happy shadowing, and happy learning. Bye for now.